On 14 December 2025, Bayraktar Technologies released footage of the Bayraktar AKINCI PT-7 unmanned combat aerial vehicle conducting a live-fire exercise, demonstrating the rapid advancement of Turkey's indigenous unmanned strike capabilities. During the test, the AKINCI successfully launched 2 BOZOK laser-guided miniature munitions and 1 KAYI-30 laser-guided miniature munition, each scoring direct hits on its designated target. This event highlights not only the precision and reliability of Turkey's domestically produced air-launched munitions, but also the growing operational maturity of unmanned platforms in modern combat scenarios. The campaign validated the seamless integration of both BOZOK and KAYI-30 onto the AKINCI airframe, a high-altitude, long-endurance UCAV designed to operate with diverse weapon configurations. Developed by TÜBİTAK Sage, these munitions belong to the laser-guided miniature munition category, optimized for deployment on UAVs, where payload constraints, precision, and controlled effects are critical factors. The ability to employ a mixed load of these munitions in a single sortie demonstrates AKINCI's versatility in engaging different categories of ground targets, from fortified positions to mobile enemy units. BOZOK, the lighter of the 2 munitions, weighs 16 kilograms, measures 80 centimeters in length, and has a diameter of 120 millimeters. It is specifically designed to give unmanned aerial vehicles an accurate strike capability in asymmetric warfare environments. Its tactical design prioritizes operational flexibility and integration on UAVs, where weight limitations are decisive. The munition follows an inertial guidance mode during the mid-course phase using an inertial measurement unit before switching to semi-active laser guidance in the terminal phase to achieve exceptional accuracy. BOZOK has a stated range exceeding 17 kilometers depending on release conditions and is equipped with multiple warhead options, including anti-personnel and hybrid armor piercing with particle effects, complemented by proximity sensors to enhance effectiveness in the final moments of engagement. The KAYI-30, in contrast, is a heavier laser-guided munition, weighing approximately 24 kilograms, measuring 100 centimeters in length with a diameter of 140 millimeters. Unlike missiles or glide bombs, it relies on free fall dynamics, and its range depends on release altitude and aircraft speed. Official data indicates it can reach 15 kilometers when released from 20,000 feet at 120 knots, and up to 25 kilometers when released from 25,000 feet at 180 knots using a combination of inertial, GPS, and semi-active laser guidance. With a circular error probable of less than 3 meters, the KAYI-30 delivers precision effects against a wide range of targets. Its modular architecture allows for the use of anti-personnel, shaped charge, or thermobaric warheads, offering adaptability for evolving operational requirements. Operationally, the integration of BOZOK and KAYI-30 strengthens AKINCI's role as a multi-mission platform capable of close air support, precision interdiction, and time-sensitive strike operations in support of both land and maritime forces. The ability to carry and employ multiple laser-guided miniature munitions in a single sortie enhances tactical flexibility, reduces reliance on manned aircraft for certain strike profiles, and allows rapid adaptation to different mission sets. The use of a smart multiple carriage bomb rack specifically designed for the KAYI family further enhances sortie efficiency, enabling the UCAV to operate in high-tempo combat scenarios without compromising precision or lethality. Beyond immediate operational value, this live-fire demonstration carries substantial strategic significance. By validating a domestically produced UCAV operating exclusively with domestically developed precision munitions, Türkiye strengthens its defense autonomy and reduces vulnerability to external supply constraints or export restrictions. In an international defense market characterized by growing demand for armed UAVs and cost-effective precision strike solutions, the AKINCI equipped with BOZOK and KAYI-30 consolidates Türkiye's position not only as an end user, but also as a reliable supplier of integrated unmanned strike systems. From a military strategic perspective, the demonstration reflects lessons learned from recent conflicts where armed UAVs have proven decisive in persistent surveillance, precision targeting, and deterrence. The employment of laser-guided miniature munitions from a high-altitude, long-endurance UCAV illustrates Turkey's focus on developing integrated strike ecosystems, where sensors, platforms, and weapons operate in synergy rather than as isolated components. The successful live-fire test involving 2 BOZOK munitions and a single KAYI-30 represents a significant step in consolidating Turkey's indigenous unmanned strike portfolio. It confirms both the operational maturity of these laser-guided miniature munitions and the versatility of the AKINCI platform. This achievement further enhances Turkey's credibility as a provider of integrated UAV and precision munition solutions for national defense and for international partners seeking cost-effective, reliable, unmanned strike capabilities. This is Mighty Military, bringing you detailed analysis of cutting-edge military technologies, precision strike systems, and the evolution of unmanned aerial warfare.